Recreational scuba diving is an amazing hobby. The underwater experience is something special every single time. We went to Atlantis Dive Resort in Dauin, Negros Oriental, the Philippines. First, several exercises. Wear your gear, learn breathing, feel relaxed, a bit of buoyance control in the pool. And there we go. Time to go to Apo Island, one of the best dive sites in the Philippines. Diving is so relaxing, so calm, and so beautiful, and nobody is nagging. It's nice and quiet. Once you see the amazing beauty of the corals, the colorful fish, turtles, and so much more, you will understand that we have to take care of this world. Chantal and Tako took care of Stephen and Chinchin. For me, it was my first underwater video experience. I can tell you it was not easy. Sorry if it is not always clear, but I really like you to see it and try to convince you to make an introductory dive. I hope to upload a lot more, way better video clips and slideshows of the always amazing, always surprising, and always different underwater world.